I want to show you a simple shift in language that quietly gives you your power back, not by forcing change or pushing you into action, but by telling the truth in a way that opens options instead of closing them. Think of it like sitting in the driver's seat of a car with the engine running, but telling yourself the car has no wheels. You stay parked not because you cannot move, but because you believe you cannot. Think of it like standing in front of a door and telling yourself it is locked, when in reality, you have not tried the handle yet. You stay outside not because you cannot enter, but because you believe you cannot. That is what I can't often does. When you say I can't, it sounds final. It sounds like a locked door. But most of the time, it hides something more honest underneath your mind. It might be fear. It might be uncertainty. It might be comfort. It might be not wanting to deal with change right now. So when you repeat can't, you slowly convince yourself that you are powerless. It sounds final. It sounds like a verdict. And once you believe that, you stop looking for choices. But most of the time, it hides something underneath all your emotions. Let's look at another common one. I'm not confident. I can't do this. This one sounds like an identity statement, but confidence does not work that way. Saying I'm not confident is like saying I am not warm while standing outside in winter without jacket. Confidence is not who you are. It is a result of action and familiarity. A more honest statement might be, I do not feel confident yet because I have not practiced this enough. Or I will feel unsure because this situation is new to me. See the difference. Replace I can't with either I can, I don't want to. These sentences do not shame you. They do not force action. They restore honesty. First, catch yourself when you say I can't. Notice where I can't show up in your thinking. Do not judge. Just notice it. Awareness is the first place where the power really returns to you. Next, ask what is really underneath that phrase, that statement that you tell yourself that is limiting yourself. Ask yourself what I can't is really protect you from. Is it fear of failure? Fear of judgment? Fear of uncertainty? Is it comfort? Name the real reason, honestly, without criticism. Then rewrite the sentence honestly and in a truthful way. Use I don't want to, or I can, but I'm choosing not to right now. It puts you back into the driver's seat. After that, sit with the new statement for a moment. Notice how the new sentence feels in your body. Clarity feels steadier than helplessness. You can choose not to be helpless. And finally, decide your next step from clarity, not pressure. You may still choose the same action. You may still choose to wait, but now it is a conscious choice, not a hidden belief and limitation.